Hey guys, what's up? Focusing. This ain't focusing. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm making a bike check video after a lot of requests. So here is the bike. Yeah, it is a Commencal Meta AM 2020 29er. So yeah, this is the bike and it's the blue version. It's the blue color. And yeah, all components are the 2020 lineup, being from the drivetrain, brakes, cranks, and everything. It's all Shimano SLX. The rotors, the brake set, and everything. It has a Fox 36 up front, a 170mm fork, and a 160mm rear shock, which is the DPX2, as you can see. I'm running the Spank handlebars. This bike comes with the Alpha Ride handlebars, which is black, but I ride 800mm bars and that was 780, so I changed them to these. These are the Spank Spike 800. I think it's a race series or something. Yeah, and I'm running the Ergon grips. It's very comfortable with big hands. I really recommend you guys try that out. It has E13 wheels and E13 tires. These are stock. Everything's stock in this bike. And yeah, I run clipless pedals, which are the Crank Brothers Mallet something. I don't know, Mallet DH or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty comfortable to ride with. And I run the Fitlock magnetic bottle cage. Makes it really easy, you know, on the trails. It snaps into place. For the dropper post, we have a KS Integra dropper post. I think this is the new one as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the bike. The bike's pretty stable, and I'm 6'1", so it fits me. It fits me good, and it has a good enough reach for me. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's see some shred clips now. I'll be talking about the bike. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty stable on steep stuff. Pretty fast. Ayo! It climbs well as well. The whole bike. What? Hey! I used to ride a 27.5 wheel size before this. It was great, but 29er makes a lot of difference. I feel way more confident now. It rolls better. Even on the technical stuff, it saves you, you know, if things go wrong suddenly. Yeah. If you get a 29er bike from a 27, it'll be a little difficult for you to get used to it, but yeah, once you're used to it, oh boy, it'll be fast, very fast. I run my suspension pretty soft in the front with fast rebound so that I don't bottom out. Yeah, it's pretty sick, which is perfect. What? Like, see what I'm saying? It just rolls over everything. The 29er, I mean, you don't have to be scared about anything. It just goes, you know? Boom. What?